Hello, this is Itai Levitin at Forex an Amazon stock technical analysis. And this analysis can take us through the end of 2024 and throughout 2025. First of all, as part of the story that I'm looking at, then I'm looking at basically let me get this, there we go. I'm looking at this consolidation and building a base that Amazon stock had after basically trending down to it. And this happened, by the way, across three earnings where investors wanted to see that Amazon is on the right track, and so it was. And right after a low, after the earnings on 27th of April 2023, I'm anchoring a VWAP and using that as my technical guidance because I see that price also is reacting. This is the first lower standard deviation of the VWAP, which is the purple line. And then the last retracement, we see buyers jumping in just above the VWAP again. And that's no coincidence, in my humble opinion. A little bit of consolidation on the first upper lower standard deviation. And then, according to this map, I'm looking at it finding some profit takers around say just below at or above, uh, which is the second upper standard deviation of the VWAP, where basically last time we found a bit of consolidation and profit takers coming in. And of course, this is going to be also, if it happens, just above, just above the all-time high. Um, the all-time high is now at 2000. Sorry, 201.20. So, and according to this, I mean, it's just above it. Okay, so if I was holding Amazon stock at around 203 to 205, I would be mitigating risk and selling some of my position, of course, at your discretion. Trade at your own risk only, and it's not far fetched that we'll be going that scenario, and then again meeting that first upper standard deviation at about 180, where people that want to buy or get back to the stock or strengthen their position would find a more attractive price. Of course, I mean, if it goes down all the way to the VWAP, which is trending up, so it's not going to be at 152.37, but let's say it gets to just, you can draw this line, anchor it from where I showed it. So let's say it gets to 157, okay? If it does something like this, and that would be a wonderful buy again at that and around that VWAP. If it gets there, that would be a fantastic bet. Of course, we don't know. There's no assurance. It can also keep on going down. But if it does that, if it gets all the way from that 205 ish to there, we're talking about a decline of about 23, 24%. That could be the next correction. Also depends on what happens with the market, but that would be again looking at that VWAP as a guidance and betting on that long. And of course, you can also take some partial profits on the way. You don't have to wait for the entire move, but you can also mitigate your risk and take some, for example, here, take partial profit and then go for the bigger move on part of the position. Trade Amazon at your own risk. Do return to Forex Live for additional perspectives. This is only my opinion, and we've got other interesting people and perspectives. So do check out forexlive.com and trade invest at your own risk. Thank you.